warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Peter Sularsi. My student ID number 2320089. I want to explain about this article. The title is about improving students' reading comprehension task. Structure text. Abstract. This abstract researchers doing research for know how text structure assessment can improve students' reading comprehension. This research uses classroom action research that are include planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. That subject is student in semester 4 at FKIP Unisma school year 2006. The instrument that used in observation sheet and text. The first observation sheet used to observe the teacher in doing action, and other observation sheet for observed reaction of student in learning. The second test, after being seen from the average, there is no need to do another cycle because learning has made success. Introduction. One way to increase the students' comprehension is by assisting them to understand text structure. Meyer and Rice said that the structured text is used to refer to the ideas in the text because the ideas are important to the writer. The structure of the text also determines the logical relationship to the ideas. The ideas of the benefits of having a text structure. Other ways to do text structure text the teacher and use some text such as a context with the structure of the text. Methodology. This research was focused on the teaching and learning activities in the classroom. There are problems in reading class to avoid subjectivity in data collection to observe where needed to observe the class one observe the students activity and the other observe the teacher's activity during the classroom instruction. And then the study was implemented in cycles. If cycle 1 did not meet the criteria of success, the action plan would be revised and then cycle 2 would be implemented. If the action saw positive result, it means that the result, then there are some to support and facilitate students to learn the English. Program has student access center where the student can practice the reading, speaking, and writing and each other. And then from this problem, the researcher then prepared a plan. Findings presenting the reading material is the main task of the teacher in teaching reading comprehension. The teacher may use a wide range of procedures in presenting the reading materials in the classroom. The 3 steps are discussed in the following section. Pre-reading. There were 3 activities that the teacher did in this stage. First, opening the lesson. The teacher usually did that by greeting, by saying good morning and each other. The second, checking the students' attendance. To spend the time efficiently, the teacher usually asks captain who were absent and he mentioned the names of his classmates. Third, activating the student schemata is the main part of pre-reading. And first of all, the teacher passed out copies of questions concerning to the text structure while reading stage 4 of all. And identification structure. Step 1, asking type of writing the writer used Step 2. Asking the student to find the way the writer organized the text. Step 3. Asking the students to find how the text is developed. 4. Asking the student to work in pair and find how the idea is classified into groups. 5. Asking the student to find what idea of paragraphs. 6. Asking the students to find how each paragraph is related to each other. Post-reading stage. In the post-reading stage, comprehension questions are used. First test. Discussion is of the improvement of the students' reading comprehension achievement using text structure tasks. The facts show my student found difficulties is understanding text. Therefore, some efforts have to be conducted to improve the students' reading comprehension. The problem could be seen from pre-test scores. To improve the students' reading comprehension, the teacher applied the text structure task in the learning teaching process when strategy was applied. From evaluation done for each meeting, the student mean score increased. Second criteria of success say that the study is considered successful if no student obtains the score under the category of poor or below 55. Thus, the next cycle was not necessary. It means that the criteria of success can be achieved.